Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me for my crafty journey. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button as well as that little bell icon so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I'm really excited to announce the Spooky Inspiration YouTube Hop. This is organized by Kim Murray from Salty Beach Scrapper. She has organized a wonderful array of designers who will be sharing their spooktacular designs to help jumpstart your Halloween crafting. They'll also be giving away fun giveaways. To participate in the giveaway, you must like, comment, and subscribe to all of the channels that are featured in the hop. This hop will be today, Saturday, September 4th, as well as Sunday, September 5th. So we have an incredible lineup, and you want to make sure to check the description box below to see all of the individual crafters that are participating. I will also be giving away a $30 gift certificate to ASC Craft Supplies, but you have to watch until the end of the video to see how you can win. For my project, I have created this Halloween Advent tree. Originally, I had planned to do a different project. However, I released a video on Tuesday where I invited my subscribers to tell me some of the projects that they'd like to see me create. And a few of those comments said that they'd like to see me do a Halloween Advent calendar. So I've created this one. I created a digital file from My Scrap Chick in December, and I created two different versions of this Christmas tree. One was in a light pastel shabby chic, and the other was in a traditional Christmas green and red. For today, I have all Halloween colors, and I think this is just so much fun. Now, in today's video, I'm not going to do a tutorial because I do have a complete tutorial that walks you through step by step on how to make this very project. So let's take a look. On the top, we have this beautiful 3D bow. I have it double layered. On the top, you have this fun paper that says Halloween, and the bottom layer, you have black glitter paper. I have 31 boxes that are stacked here, and each of these boxes open up just like so that you can put a fun treat or candy. Now, I have layered each of these numbers here 3 times. They've got black glitter for the numbers, and behind that is a hint of gold. And as you can see, we've got all of these fun Halloween papers. Now, I did use a collection of 3 different Halloween papers because I wanted to use my scraps, and I think all of them coordinate very well. On the top here, we have this orange glittered spider, and I have some fun ephemera hidden throughout. Now, I didn't decorate this Halloween tree as much as I would normally do for the Christmas because this paper is quite busy, and I think it stands on its own. Here we have a little black owl. We've got this sequined orange spider. We've got some fun flowers here. As you can see, we have lots of fun little details. I think this is a really fun project, and it's super easy to make. You simply create each of these individual boxes. These are all of the same size, and the top box here is a larger box where you can fit a larger present. Now that I've given you an overview of this Halloween project, let's talk about the giveaway. In order to participate in my giveaway, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident, and you must be a visible subscriber to my YouTube channel. Also, in the description box, you must leave the following comment: Happy Halloween, Sir Chauncey. Once again, you have to leave in the comment section, Happy Halloween, Sir Chauncey. This concludes my review of my spooky Halloween Advent calendar tree. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. Please be sure to watch the entire series. As I said, we have some wonderful crafters that are participating in this YouTube hop, and you will find a full lineup in the description box below. Hopefully you like this advent calendar and you too will make one for either Halloween, Christmas, or even Valentine's Day. Any fun occasion is a perfect time to use this file. If you like this video, please be sure to leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now and happy crafting.